Welcome everyone to this new video. In this video, we will be showing you the salt flats and food in Turkey. The salt here was not the most comfortable to sit on, so we brought our own chairs to use. We visited this place with our British van-lifing friends, the Day family. Next up, we stopped to get lunch.
Thank you.
Ben teşekkür ederim. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Ooh, perfect.
This wrap that we are eating is called tantuni. It is a traditional food made with meat and local spices and oil. Surely one of my favorites in this trip.
Dine out eating at your home. How's the food, Max? Let me see.
Nice and warm. It's good. That's mine.
On my dad's birthday, we had ordered food to our vans with our friends and enjoyed a delicious feast.
Whoa! Wow, I'm excited. There's a kid. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you. Whoa!
It's a whole lab.
Are you ready for the challenge? Oh! You asked for lamb, there goes your lamb.
We eventually had to part ways with the Day family and continue on with our adventures. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.